Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Al-Adiyat. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والعاديات ضبحا. Wow, circle your lips. مخرج of circling your lips. فتحة open jaws attach with lam. Lam will get صفة of توسط. And توسط is medium flow of sound. Two counts long. D for kasra give E sound. Yeah, two counts long. And keep ya soft. T for kasra give E sound. Lad. Lad is heavy for fatha open jaws attach with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Lad. Ha. Ha with hums make two counts long because this is mad iwat. You're changing the sound of tanween into mad letter. This is called mad iwat. Iwat means to exchange. You're exchanging one sound to another. والعاديات ضبحا. Give hums on fa. Hums is flow of breath. For fatha open jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Mu. For dhamma, circle your lips, make it two counts long. Eri. Ra is light. For kasra, give E sound. Yeah, keep it soft and make it two counts long. T. For kasra, give E sound. Very sharp sound. There is no flow of sound whatsoever. قاد ففتحة open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is tabaud. Ha. Ha should be from your throat with hums. Make it two counts long because this is mad ayal. فالموريات قدحا. Give hums on fa for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Mu for the mass circle lips. The sound is short. Mu. Ghi. Ghain is heavy. For kasra give E sound. Make it two counts long. Ghi. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra has fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Here it is heavy. Make it two counts long because of this standing fatha. Ra. Ti. Ta is very sharp. For kasra give E sound, and the sound is short too. Sob. Sod has a safir too. For dhamma, circle lips attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala, and sod will be heavy. Sob. Sob. Ha. Mad. Awad is making it two counts long, and ha should be from your throat with hums. فالمغيرات صبحا. Give hums on fa. Hums is flow of breath. With fatha, the sound is short. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws. Sharp means there is no flow of breath. The sound is there, and then it is finished after the pronunciation is done. Very sharp and short sound, and very, very strong sound. Tharu. For fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and it will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Tharu. Na. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. B. For kasra, if E sound, he two counts long. Naqa. Noon is light. For fatha open jaws attached with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is the ba'ud. Naqa. Make it two counts long. And should be from your throat, and mad awaz is making it two counts long. فأثرن به نقعا. Give hums on fa. For fatha open your jaws. For makhraj for you have to circle your lips nicely. For fatha open jaws. Saqa. Keep sin light, but ta is heavy. Sin has safir, and ta will be heavy, and it will get qalqalan. Qalqala is taba'ud. Saqa. Na. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. B. For kasra give E sound. He two counts long. Jam. For fatha open jaws attached with Jim is sharp, and for fatha open jaws attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow sound. Jam. Ain from your throat, and make it two counts long because mad awat is here. فوسقن به جمعا. إن الإنسان لربه لكنود. Hamza is very sharp. Focus. Give E sound attach it. Noon, you will get sipa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Innal, for fatha upon jaws attach it. Lam will get sipa of tawasut, and tawasut is medium flow of sound. Nal, in. Hamza is very sharp. Focus. Give E sound attach it. Noon, there is ikhfa. So you are hiding the sound of noon, and this ikhfa is light because seen is among light letter. So keep your tongue straight to create this ikhfa. Sa, two counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Li, for kasra give E sound. Rob, Ra is heavy. For fatha open jaws, attach it ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. Shidda means no flow of sound. Rabbi, for kasra give E sound. He, two counts long. La, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ka, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Nood. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four counts. So this is madarid lis sukoon. إن الإنسان لربه لكنود. و for waw, makhraj of waw is circling your lips. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. In, for kasra give E sound. Hamza is very sharp. Attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. In, na, for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Hu, two counts long. For dhamma, circle your lips nicely. Ain from your throat. For fatha open jaws. La, two counts long. The, two counts long. Li, for kasra give E sound. Ka, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is light. Yes, this is light. Ka, la, for fatha upon jaws. Sha, for fatha upon jaws. Heed. Because of this waqf, you are giving sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long over. It was before two counts. Now it has turned into four because of this temporary sukoon. This is madarid lis sukoon. وَإِنَّهُ عَلَى ذَلِكَ لَشَهِيدٌ. For makhraj of waw, circle your lips, fatha upon jaws. In, hamza is very sharp. For kasra give E sound, attach it noon. This noon has gunna, and this is akmal gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. In, na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short with fatha. Hu, for dhamma, circle your lips, make it two counts long. Li, for kasra give E sound. Hub, for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda. But as you will touch ba, your lips should be in a straight position because they were circled before here on ha. When you will touch ba, your lips should be in a straight position. Otherwise, you will give ba dhamma too. Don't do that. There is no dhamma on ba. Hub bil, for kasra give E sound. And then attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. Khoi, kho is always heavy for fatha upon jaws. To make any letter heavy, you're just lifting your tongue up, but you're not circling your lips. Don't ever circle your lips for any heavy letter. Khoi, and this is lean, this is yainin, so make it two counts long and make it soft. Khoi, iri, for kasra give E sound. Ra is light here. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Sh, sheen is short for fatha upon your jaws. Deed. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon on dal. This temporary sukoon has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarid li sukoon. وَإِنَّهُ لِحُبِّ الْخَيْرِ لَشَدِيدٌ. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws. Fa, give hams on fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. La, two counts long. Afala, yeah. You keep ya soft. and light. For fatha upon jaws, attach with ayn. Ayn will get sifa of tawassut, and ayn should be from your throat nicely. Yeah, yeah. La, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mu, for dhamma circular lips, the sound is short. E, hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give E sound. The, 2 counts long. Wah. For dhamma, circle your lips on ba, but as you will touch ayn, your lips should be in a straight position because there is no dhamma, there is sukoon. So you will bring your lips back and ayn will get sifa of tawassut. Thi, for kasra, give E sound. Ra, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short and ra is heavy here because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Ma, 2 counts long. Feel, for kasra, give E sound, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. This fa is not anymore long because this is attached with lam. So this fa is just attached with lam and lam will get sifa of tawassut. Feel, u, for dhamma circle lips. Qaf is heavy. So make any, to make qaf heavy, you're lifting your back of your tongue up towards your palate. Oh, woo. Yeah, because of this fa, you're giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is madarat lis sukoon. And ra will be heavy when you are giving buff because there is dhamma before it. Because it is with sukoon itself and because there is dhamma before it, so it is heavy now. أفلا يعلم إذا بعثر ما في القبور and give the wasut on ra. Bur. From makhraj of waw, circle your lips, fatha on jaws, the sound is short. Hus, for dhamma, circle your lips, and attach it sad. Sad will get sifa of rahqawa, and it is heavy, and it has safir. Safir means they should be a whistle sound in it. Hus, the sound should flow because it is with rakhawa. Rakhawa means flow of sound. Husli, for kasra, give E sound. With kasra, the sound is short. Sli, la, for fatha upon jaws. Ma, 2 counts long. Fis, for kasra, give E sound. Attach it sod. Sod will get sifa of rakhawa. And it is heavy and it has safir. Fis, for dhamma, circle ellipse. The sound is short with dhamma. Dur. And because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat lis sukoon. And keep dal light. Make sure you're making dal light and ra heavy. Ra, why ra is heavy here? Because there is dhamma before it. وَحُصِّلَ مَا فِي الصُّدُورِ and give the wasats too. In Hamza is very sharp. Focus to give E sound, attach it. No, will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, for fatha, the sound is short. Rab, ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is heavy. And ba will get sifa of shidda, and shidda is no flow of sound. Rab, for fatha upon jaws. For fatha, hum, for dhamma, circular lips, attach with meme. This is idgham shafawi. Ikhfa shafawi, sorry. This is ikhfa shafawi. So keep your sound in your nose. Hum bi, focus give E sound. Him, focus give E sound, attach it. Mim will get sifa of tawassut and ruling with her here. Bihim, yaw. This is wowleen, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Yaw, ma, for fatha upon jaws. E, for kasra give E sound. Dil, for kasra give E sound, attach it. Lam, lam will get sifa of tawassut. La, for fatha upon jaws. Khabir. Kha is heavy. And for kasra, give E sound on ba. And when you are giving baf, you're giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 count long vowel into 4. This is madarat lis sukoon. Inna rabbahum bihim يومئذ لخبير. And giving tawassut here. Why meme is here? Because if you wanted to continue, you are not stopping on this sign. So there will be Bismillah afterwards because the next surah will be starting with Bismillah. So Bismillah starts with Ba, letter Ba. So after Tanween, when letter Ba comes, they is the rule which is called Iqlab. So we change the sound of Noon into Meme. That's why the meme is here. If you're stopping here, you will ignore this meme. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والعاديات ضبحا فالموريات قدحا فالمغيرات صبحا فأثرن به نقعا فوسقن به جمعا إن الإنسان لربه لكنود وإنه على ذلك لشهيد وإنه لحب الخير لشديد أفلا يعلم إذا بعثر ما في القبور وحصل ما في الصدور إن ربهم بهم يومئذ لخبير. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.